Want to know how to fix PUBG Mobile crashing issues? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, there are various ways to fix your crashing issues or your not opening issues in PUBG Mobile. So I'm just going to go through some of them. So first things first, what you can do is, just like everything, just simply clear out your cache. So for that, just simply hold up the PUBG Mobile icon, hit towards its settings, and on the bottom right you should be seeing something known as clear cache that is located right here. Now simply select clear data. So once you've selected clear data, select clear cache again, and once you've done that, simply select OK. And once that is done, your cache should be cleared and all of your junk files should be removed. And once that is done, it could fix your crashing issues. Next, just simply clear out your PUBG Mobile from the recent tabs. So just simply get towards your recent tabs that should be looking up like this, and then just clear our PUBG Mobile, and that should also fix any crashing issues. So if it still doesn't fix it, you can just simply open up your game, and once you're there, just simply head towards settings, and once you're on the settings, head towards graphics right here. And once you're under graphics, make sure your frame rate and your graphics is low. So due to excessive graphics and your system not being able to handle it, it could sometimes crash as well. And that's it. If nothing works, you can just simply uninstall and reinstall the game. We have also made a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.